What's up guys, it's DNA here with a quick sneaker unboxing video. If you can't tell from this big box, today we got the Air Jordan 2 Just On Beach box set. First, let's start off with all the little things it came with. We got this pin right here, Air Jordan logo with the basketball and the wings. Next thing we got is a dust bag for the hat. There's an identical one that comes with the shoes with the white and gold, same Air Jordan logo on the front. And then we got the Just On hat right here, red hat with that tan leather on the front. And we also take a look at the back and we got that same tan leather on that strap right there. That's it for all the little things. Let's take a look at the shoes now. Here they are, Air Jordan 2 Just On Beach. Very nice shoe. As you can see, we got this tag right here, same tan leather, and on the other side we got Just On in writing right there. Very nice leather on the upper of this shoe. Very good quality all around. You got the front right here. Take a look at that tan Air Jordan logo up top on the tongue. We take a look at the other side. We got that same quilted pattern along the sides. Very nice leather. And we take a look at the back. You see right here we got 23 in gold in that red rectangle. And we take a look at the other shoe and it says Just On in that red rectangle in gold writing. Take a look at the sole of this shoe. You got the red Nike right there, and you also got the shoe size there. This is a 10.5. Take a look at these laces. We got them gold tips right there. Very nice. Good quality all the way around. Definitely worth the money.
That's all I got for today, guys. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe, and have a good one.